wrote a longer answer to the 5-mark question than they did to the 25-mark question. Now where's the sense in that? There isn't any, is there? There isn't any. You're lucky because on your paper, not only did they tell you how many marks it's worth, but they give you a bit of a space for the answer. So you know, roughly speaking, your answer here is going to be at that length. Whereas, if you look at the fact page, or the second to the fact page, you know there, with that 9-mark question, if you wrote one line in your answer space, one line, you ain't going to get very much. You're not going to get very much in the way of marks. So that's the first thing I've done in scanning. Now look, this is a quick process that's taking me 5–10 seconds. The second thing I look at when I'm scanning is not what the content is, but what are the command words? What is the examiner telling me to do? Can you spot the command word in the first question?
State.
State, very good. State. And in the second 2 questions, what's the command word?
Explain.
Explain. And in the final longer one, the command word is?
Discuss.
Discuss. Do those 3 words mean the same thing? Not at all. Not at all. What does state mean? State simply means, give us the facts. Just tell us. Just tell us. You don't have to do any because. You don't have to say how good it is. Just tell us what it is. State 2 features of job production. Alright? Can you think of another command word that would be similar to that? Another command word that would be just tell us the facts. You can join in if you want.
Give 2 examples.
Examples. Give examples of. Yeah? Describe. Describe is the simplest command word. What is? Simple command word. Define. Simple command word. So all you're doing there, there's no sort of complication in your answer here. It's just one feature is, a second feature is. 1 mark, 1 mark, thank you very much. Examiner, I'll put those marks in my back pocket. The easy questions. No complication. Fine? So turn the page. If we're stepping up from state to explain, what must we add to build up our answer so that instead of just giving the facts, it's explaining? Go on. Because. Very good. Very good. You know this stuff, you people. The word because is the key word in an explain answer. So if we look at this, explain one benefit to A to Z frames of using batch production for the frames as it sells for local gift shops. One benefit would be, well, what is the benefit of batch production? You tell me. What's the benefit of batch production? You get more, you get a bigger quantity made. Now then, if you write one benefit of batch production is that you get a bigger quantity made, you might get 1 mark, you might get 2 marks. You won't get all 3 unless you add in the because. One benefit of batch production is that you get a bigger quantity made because they're making them all at the same time. What would you add, Mr. Thompson, as your because? Let's help them out a bit.
Yeah, I can't understand why they're not helping themselves out by using the book in their desk.
Tell me. I want to move on. What is it? What's the because in here?
Because they're producing at a cheaper cost.
Okay. Because they're producing at a cheaper cost. But why are they producing at a cheaper cost?
Profit.
No, not why do they want to produce at a cheaper cost. What is it that makes them produce at a cheaper cost if they're doing batch production? There are more made at one time. That's yes. What? Yeah. So what I'm saying is your answer is spot on, but it just needs another half sentence to make it even better. Go on.
Because it's much more efficient.
It's more efficient. That's a great word to use in business.
Answer.
Efficient is a great word to use. If you ever get the chance to introduce efficient into your answer as part of the because, that's really helpful. You know? So, one benefit of batch production is that you can get more made, maybe in a quicker time, because